Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with Afterpay card in store. So all you need to do is log in to your app, tap on My Afterpay in the bottom right of your screen, and then tap on Orders, then Upcoming Payments. You will see a list of your upcoming payments. To make a manual payment on a single installment, click the Pay button next to your desired payment. Confirm the amount you would like to pay. Ensure the right card is selected and tap Submit Payment. If you would like to make a one-off payment with a different card, tap New Payment Method, enter the card details and tap Submit Payment, and then all done. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.